So we did a thing. She looks good, doesn't she? Hey guys, we have done something super exciting, a little bit unexpected, but we have bought a new rig. So we're really excited. It is, well, it's an old rig, but a new rig for us. Yeah.
2008 Toyota Landcruiser Workmate.
76 series, so we're super excited. The Ranger, we were tossing up of whether to trade it in or to spend a couple of grand on it to get it to a better place, and then it started to give us a few signs. A
few little gremlins, so yeah, we thought it was time to get rid of it.
Yep, so now we have a new rig to build, and it's super stocko. So we've the fun part starts now, where we can do everything that we want to it. So watch this space. You checking it all out? Sure can.
We're gonna change them now.
What?
Bigger ones.
I'm going to put some bigger ones on.
Sure are.
Some bigger ones are flat.
No central locking on this one.
What?
And there's no electric windows either. You have to wind them up.
Hello.
I'm going to open this side.
Yeah, it's a ripper, isn't it, mate?
Yes, it is a whip.
And look how big the windows are. So when you're sitting in your car seat, you'll be able to see lots of stuff out the window.
You like it, mate?
Yeah?
And this one.
Hey, is it a good car? We get your seats in there?
But I don't need a seat.
Yes, you do.
Why?
Because you're still only little.
I'm sort of hopping this driver's seat.
Yep.
I ain't not hopping that seat. I guess pretend.
Okay. Kitties?
Good.
How's the new rig? Is it good, Remy? Is it good?
I can't see it.
She's just waving. Is it good to be able to see everything now? Yeah. Yeah. So guys, that is our new rig. In the next episode, we'll be going through everything that we'll be doing to the car. We are on a massive budget, so we'll keep you in the loop of how that is going. And we're super excited to get started. Check you out then.